and in today's video we'll be focusing on how to get bigger and stronger forearms at home without using any equipment. And remember, small changes will lead to a big progress. So let's get started. So before starting the video, I would like to give out a few tips to get veiny forearms. Number 1. Exercise regularly, specifically your arms. Your arms do not contain as much fat as your belly does, so it is easier to have those veins come out than trying to get those six-pack abs. Number 2. Do some cardio. Having a good vascular health is the key factor in developing those veiny arms. Number 3. Diet. Choosing lean protein over greasy and salty foods, as salty foods contain sodium, which causes your body to retain more water. Veiny arms not only look attractive but are healthier for you too. Bonus point. Make yourself hot, literally. When temperature increases, the body's defense mechanism will push blood vessels into the surface of your skin because it doesn't want your internal organs to overheat. This is the reason why some men have their forearms veiny during the summers. To begin with the forearms workout, you can perform each of the following exercises for 40 seconds and transition to the next exercise without rest. You can increase the number of sets and duration to 1 minute with time. Firstly, we have the isometric wall push. In this, you have to push the wall as hard as you can. This helps increase the muscle performance and tone the muscles of your arms. Next, we have the cherry pickers. To do this, extend your fingers out as far as possible, then bring your fingers back and make a tight fist. Then repeat. Next, we have the inner wrist curls. Keep your hands clenched into fists and contract your forearms to flex your wrists inwards. This focuses on the inner forearm muscles. Next, we have the reverse wrist curls. In this, keep your hands clenched into fists. Contract your forearms to flex your wrists outwards. This focuses on the outer forearm muscles. And to finish, we have the frontal rotations. In this, you contract your forearms to flex your wrists upwards and downwards, and then repeat. And that's it for today's video. These exercises might look simple, but if you perform these regularly, you will see the results. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.